Good morning. So we're just about to head out to Mount Shrimpton, which isn't actually a hike that's been on our list, so I don't know too much about it, but one of our friends wants to do it, so we're gonna head out there with him. It's about an hour's drive and about a 2,000 metre climb, so it's gonna be a decent day, but it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day too. So pretty excited, not too sure what to expect, but yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
Every night when the lights get bright, walk the streets in harmony. To know we'll grow, leaves are green everywhere we go. Blinds down now. Waves coming one by one.
So we're currently about halfway up to the bush line. As you can see, very hot, very sweaty. Yeah, about 600 metres to the bush line, and then probably another 600 metres to the summit. So pretty excited. We've still got a long way to go.
Misty mountain till the distance, hanging on, we get strong.
So as we reach the edge of the bush line, it's starting to level out a little bit. We've gone down quite a bit, but we've definitely still got a fair amount of uphill, but pretty excited to get out the bush line and see the epic view.
We get strong.
And we got this last little climb to the bush line.
For my dreams were yours to keep.
We're now out of the bush line. The sun's come out and the views are incredible. And we still got another 800 metres, so pretty excited to see the view from the top because it's already insane. So from the tree line, the route is actually unmarked and it involves some steep drop-offs. So you definitely need to take your time and look for the path, but still got to get right up here somewhere.
Take your bloody time.
At the minute, we're slowly working our way up, but the views are epic. It is a mission though. So this last little bit up to the ridge is pretty rocky and a lot of scree. It's definitely a mission. You gotta like really watch where we're putting our feet, so it's quite draining. We're almost there and we're pretty excited to get to the top. And it's super windy, which isn't really helping at all. like it doesn't look like we're going down, but there's some very narrow footholds. We're pretty much crawling up the hill at the minute. And this is what we're now going to get up. Trekking poles away. And now we're up.
It's the wakening in my chest. It's the changing of the moon. It's the way I know one day when I'm old I might not have you. Oh, maybe
And just over this is the view. Not seen it yet.
just how love that
Wow. Fuck.
But all I know is I need you here for an hour or two. Cause for now, oh for now, I want you, 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 I want you.
I'm jerked all the way down here, trying to go for a swim, but it's cold.
I hope you never lose your place. My neck at the corner of my face. I hope you never lose your.
So before coming up, Jordan thought that I had the food, and I thought that Jordan had the food. So all we've had is a vegan chorizo with some lettuce, and we're pretty hungry. We've still got all the way down there to go. Yay.
Your fault.
Your fault!
So give me your walls to break. There's nothing else I'd do than take all my love and lay it on you.
Currently sliding down on our bumps. The easiest tactic we found. And as we go down, the wind's starting to die down, the sun's out, and we're warm again. Life's good. Life is good.
But all I know is I'll be awake for an hour or two. But for now, oh for now, for now, oh for now, I've got you.
So we're now down from the sketchy spot and all the rock scrambling. We're back to some form of the path, and yeah, it's probably about an hour to the bush line, then maybe another couple of hours after that, but feeling pretty good. The fact that we climbed right up to that point there is insane. Wow. We are back at the bush line after being all the way up there. Wow. So pretty much at the bottom now. Pretty flat. It took us about, I think it's about 7 o'clock now. So it just took us around 9 hours. And that includes stopping at the top for an hour and lunch and break. So I reckon all in all, maybe like 7.5 hours, which honestly isn't bad. But it's been a big day. I'm very excited to get to the van for the food that we left behind. So I got some OSM and a chocolate bar. And yeah, some dinner as soon as we get back to Wanaka. And there she is, full of food.